Today, we'll show you how to make bright and fun paper gift bags. This is a very simple, fun, and useful craft, perfect for gifts or cheerful kids' games. What you'll need: a sheet of paper, colored or white as you prefer, glue or double-sided tape, markers or colored pencils, 3 candies. To fill the bag, a little inspiration and a good mood. Step 1. Prepare the paper. Take a rectangular sheet of paper. You can use standard A4 size or cut a smaller piece depending on how big you want your bag. Step 2. Fold the base according to the instructions. Step 3. Decorate the design. Now for the fun part. Decorate your bag with markers. You can draw funny faces, hearts, stars, or any patterns you like. Let your imagination run wild. Step 4. Fill it up. Place 3 of your favorite candies inside, or any other small surprises. Step 5. Seal the top. Fold down the top edge of the bag and glue it shut. And you're done! You've made a magical little gift bag with your own hands. It's a great present for a friend or a fun game accessory. Try it with kids or during a festive craft session. It's fun, easy, and super creative. Don't forget to check out more inspiring ideas and DIY tutorials.